This is a penthouse unit, 143.80 square meters. Loft type po siya. And this is the kitchen. We have one bathroom here, dining area, and then another bathroom here. Then this is the living area. And we have a perfect view. Napakaganda ng view, oh. BGC or City View. May konting view ng American Battle Monument and Laguna de Bay. Ayun, oh, kita pa yung Laguna de Bay, oh. Oh. So this is 21.9 million or 152,000 per square meter. But we can request for a discount and the price can drop to 19.7 million or 140,000 per square meter. So another bathroom. And then meron pa ditong isa. And then meron pang isa dito. So a total of 5 bathrooms. Meron pang isa dito. So windows, malalaki po ang bintana natin. And meron pa tayong floor to ceiling windows, which gives you better lighting and better view. So this is available in cash or at least 20% spot down payment, 80% balance through in-house and bank financing exclusive of taxes and fees. And this is as is where is. Siguro more or less 1 to 2 million ang aabutin nyo dito if you will renovate or make some improvements because palitada lang po yung pader niya. If you want, pwede nyo siyang gawing industrial design. So konting plastering lang, pakinisin nyo lang yung pader niya, tapos tiles. But still up to you kung ano pong design ang gusto nyong gawin. So this is the lowest and the most affordable condo here in BGC at Fort Victoria. Imagine at 140,000 per square meter. The current market value of condos here, pag bumili kayo ng pre-selling or mga resale, nasa 300 to 400,000 per square meter. Or 12 to 15 million for a typical 30 square meters condo unit. So if you're interested to make an offer, because this is first come first serve basis, please message me directly. And also this is as is where is. And the price is exclusive of taxes and fees.